So hello guys, one very short stream about CapCut translation capabilities, and I wanna just test the audio translation that can be proceeded with CapCut. So let me just, will be very quick stream by the way. Let's go to my app for the meditations. Let's open the assets audio. I have already translated it. I don't know why it's laying down here. It's not tracked by the way. So I have already translated some Russian things to English, but let us try something more. So let's initially just open the smallest one meditation I have. I think it is like breathing. Yes, it should be less than 5 minutes. And for the translation service usage, you need to have this thing lesser than 5 minutes, yes. So I'm turning on the audio translator. I don't have any remaining credits, so wait a sec. I need to pay for them using CapCut mobile. It's not like available here, I don't know why. But anyway. So let me quickly pay for this stuff. So I click on credits. Let's buy like 439 for $3. So it's not like expensive. But it's not also super cheap, because if you need some many things that you need to like convert, it would be like very strange. Also, looking at the price, I see that it is very strange, because for $3 you have 439, and for 15 you have 2000. But it's actually cheaper to buy more just by pressing the button more times. So it's very strange. So anyway, let me wait when this thing will be like fetched. Maybe already, nope. Yes, it's finally done. So the source language is Russian, as you can hear.
Необходимо перезагрузиться, но есть всего 3
For some reason I'm playing it not in the
мощный и эффективный инструмент для изменения своего состояния. Это не просто дыхательная практика, а настоящий перезагрузчик для ума и тела, который помогает очистить разум и зарядиться энергией. Итак, начнем. Сядь в удобную позу с прямой спиной. Важно, чтобы тебе было комфортно и ничего не...
So, as you can see, pretty nice recording with some background music. Let's shrink it a bit, so we like not wasting a lot of credits. So, for example, like 15 seconds.
Загрузи.
Like that.
Необходимо перезагрузиться, но есть всего 3 минуты.
Yes, exactly. So let's set the Russian language here as the source language. Maybe I have missed it. ABC error Russian. So let's select some different language other than... Let's go with English, by the way. I will show you how it sounds in English and waste a bit of credits. So let me push the apply and let's wait the translation. And you will be able to hear how it sounds, right?
Need to recharge, but only have 3 minutes? Then you're in the right place. Fire breathing is a powerful and effective tool for changing your state. It's not just a breathing practice, but a real reset for...
So as you can see, the accent for this video is very, very not nice, but it is actually nicer than I was thinking before I have tried this. So let's try some other language I would like to try. Chinese, maybe. I would not understand anything. But anyway, it's just kind of cool practice. So let us hear the Chinese for now. But I will not understand it. But anyway, Chinese is one of the most popular languages in the world, as you know. So I will definitely translate the meditations to Chinese. Maybe they will be not high quality it will be not high quality translation, but anyway, when you're indie developer, you need to cut the costs and blah blah blah. So yeah, it is as a matter of effectiveness for me, and not like the best available translations. So let's wait a bit. As you can see, Chinese translation takes more time.
需要总气，但只有3分钟。那么你来对地方了。或呼吸是一种强大而有效的工具，可以改变你的状态。这不仅仅是呼吸练习，而是真正的。
As I understand, because Chinese is much more compact language in terms of you can say a lot by saying less, the audio was like shrink it a bit. Now let's try the Spanish, I think, if it has it. But it's one of the most popular languages, by the way, so it's very strange, but the Spanish is not present here, as I see. Or maybe I just blind. It seems not. So it's very strange, because there is 1 billion of people talking in Spanish. But we can have Portuguese, but it's not the same, as you understand. Okay, let's try Japanese, just because I love Japan. Let us just have a Japanese translation. And I even know few words in Japanese, but I know a few words in Chinese too. For example, xie xie. That means thank you. Or ni hao, everybody knows what does it mean. Hello. So yeah, for me it's very strange that Spanish is not present here. Let me check here, maybe I'm wrong and don't understand something. So CapCut, audio translation to Spanish. So they have some generated page for that here, but I don't see anything in my CapCut. So this is strange. Let's see, maybe. Okay, import. They are doing it from text to speech. So they just initially converting text to speech. You can generate captions from your audio or video, and then you can just use the text to speech. So yeah, this is kind of that. Okay, we can try this thing too. But let's us hear.
動が必要ですが、時間は3分しかありませんか？それならあなたは正しい場所にいます。日の呼吸は自分の状態を変えるための強力で効果的なツールです。これは単なる呼吸法ではなく、本当の。
That was really nice. So, let me search one more time, because I don't believe it still that there is no Spanish here. But there is no Spanish here, yes. Okay. We can try to translate from Russian to Russian, but I don't think this is nice. So, let us then generate, maybe, let's try generate captions from the audio. Let's try this. And let's have the bilingual Yeah, okay. As I understand, this is the only one. Okay, let's generate it. And let's see what we will have. So yeah, we have some Spanish. Let's remove the Russian one. But maybe I can reuse it for the, for the shorts to promote the meditation app. Maybe it's not a bad idea, but
再起動が必
okay, we have the Japanese here. But we will not need the audio right now for this demonstration, so let's try the text-to-speech and let's select the Spanish. Yes. So for example, this. Can we hear what is going on? No, there is no preview, so let's just generate speech from those parts of captions.
Necesita reiniciar. Pero solo hay 3 minutos. Entonces estás en el lugar correcto. Aliento de fuego. Es una herramienta poderosa y efectiva para cambiar su condición. Esto no es solo práctica de respiración, sino real.
So it's not the same as you can see because we have lost the music and we will need to extract the voices from music initially.
Su
効果的な
condición.
ツールです。これ
Esto
は
de
の呼
fuego.
吸
But let's try extract music like this. So vocals will be extracted to the separate audio, and let's see what it will bring us to us. Can we rethink the initial breathing exercise in sound? I forgot sound wave. Let's go with sound wave. Okay. So let's remove the Japanese
Correcto.
translation,
Aliento de fuego.
and we will have just music.
Necesita reiniciar. Pero solo hay 3 minutos. Entonces estás en el lugar correcto.
can see,
Aliento
it's
de
not
fuego.
very
Es una
bad.
herramienta poderosa y efectiva para
And
cambiar su
we can
condición.
use it for translation
Esto no es
for
solo
sure.
práctica de respiración, sino
Maybe
real.
it is even much simpler for me to implement just because I can generate captions from much longer audio and video files than I can, use the audio translator. And after that, I will just, and it is free for the pro version. I'm using the pro version, by the way, because I'm using a lot of things that CapCut can offer you, and I don't do things that it costs. It brings the value for the $80. You receive a lot of things, and you can use it for promotion, etc., for podcast editing. And I have used it a lot, so yeah, I feel like I'm not wasting money on this subscription. It's actually something useful for me. So yeah, as you can see, actually this video was kind of cool because we have on your eyes recreated, we solved the problem with translation to Spanish because it was missing from the original tool. So yeah, I will probably even promote this video a bit. I don't know if I should continue the stream because I don't have any plan besides the breathing meditation demonstration. But for example, I can show you the meditation that was converted to English from here. Also, I can try to improve the English versions by using the new technique with caption generation.
Feel and turn your attention to his knees. And remember that stress is just a reaction to external stimuli. And it's in your hands to change your state.
So it's not very quality
when you feel ready
in English, I think, but anyway, we also can use this thing like a source for the VO or something like that. Or maybe we can use CapCut for that, I don't know. I mean for video generation that will be supplemental for the meditation app. I haven't think about it, by the way. Think about it, but I need to think about it right now. Yeah, I have a lot of things for streams here that I just copy paste. This is my stream hub. So let's go to the mutual flow. I have fixed these things today, by the way, on my first stream. We need more meditations, that's like true. But let's also add like Spanish translation of meditations using the text to speech. Improve quality of English meditations using the text to speech too. And the last one, investigate how we can utilize the VO and soul for the meditation supplemental materials and for promotion. We can also like probably create accounts in TikTok for this stuff and promote our meditations. But I need to have a call with Tatiana because I don't understand if she does have some like free time or so. And if she does, we need to create more Russians meditations for now. And I can show her the promotion plan and we will go with that. So yeah, maybe this is the stream, very short stream about the meditation app and how I have like new functionality got implemented using these generation technologies. This is very fun and simple things to do. So I suggest you to utilize it because when you're small, you can try to play the cards that you can have right now. The more localization, like you pay more attention to users, etc. It works actually. For example, the Chinese version of Super Tracker is the most popular in the terms of like localized application performance. So it is what it is. I have already streamed for 18 minutes, so yes, this stream would be very short. Thank you very much.